Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Where is Sam?
I don't know.
Are you single?
No, I'm not.
Who is he?
He is my teacher.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
What's he doing?
He's dancing.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am very tired.
How much is it?
It's $10.
Can you swim?
No, I can't.
What's your hobby?
I like shopping.
What's wrong?
I have a toothache.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Who is she?
She is my friend.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What color is it?
It's red.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
What will you buy?
I will buy a toy.
What's that?
I don't know.
May I help you?
Yes, please.
What's that?
It's a pencil.
What's this?
It's a book.
What is her name?
Her name is Nora.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sam.